Many of you who have followed piphut.com for a while now know that one of our preferred setups are longer term trades that have a much higher probability of success, though you might be entering trades less frequently, which appeals to some people's trading style and other people's it doesn't. One of the things Candle Pro allows you to do is get high probability daily candlestick signals, and then also brings the benefit of that historical performance, recommended take profit and stop loss levels, and gives you a few trade setups a day that you can add to your arsenal that are high quality and high probability setups to bring in a good number of pips. And when I say good number, usually a couple hundred at a time. So of course the first thing we want to do is log in to our piphut.com account. We can do this by clicking login in the upper left, entering in our credentials, selecting login. Then we want to go to the Candle Pro dashboard. We can do that by clicking Pro Dashboard from the Pro menu item here. And we're going to go ahead and select the daily time frame. I kind of know what I'm looking for here. Looking for a bullish engulfing on the pound-dollar chart. And I want new candlesticks only. As we scroll down through this candlestick, this bullish engulfing here, we can see forecast strength is not too strong, but what I really care about is what's in this performance report. And let's take a time out here for a second, because this is the real power of Candles Pro. There's plenty of indicators out there that'll give you candlestick alerts for, the particular time frame, particular pair that you're on, but it doesn't tell you any historical information, performance information, recommended take profit, stop loss levels. And as we know, details are what make or break a successful trade in the forex market. Where you put your stop loss, where you put your take profit level, when you enter, when you say no to entering on a signal, those are the kind of details that separate the 5% of forex traders who succeed from the 95% of forex traders who fail within the first year. Alright, let's jump back to the performance report here. The first thing I look at is the number of previous signals analyzed. 49, that's very good. 50 is the max. Want to reward risk of at least 2 to 1. We got a 2.2 to 1 here, so that's good. The maximum drawdown, 500 pips. That's the most you ever could have lost. We're not going to put our stop loss anywhere near that number. Reward risk medians, 2 to 1, that's good. Minimum recommended stop loss, 145. Maximum, 296. I always like to view past signals just to get an idea of how hot these signals are, and we can see here 867 plus pips with a drawdown of only 50, 400 pips with a drawdown of only 2.4, 650 pips. Very strong signal. I'm going to go ahead and flip to the chart here to set up this trade. Now there's a few things that I really like about this trade that I wanted to cover with you. The first one is we can see that the trend has been bullish here for a couple of months. Since late May actually, it's been going up fairly steadily, so the fact that this candlestick is in the bullish direction gives me a lot more confidence in it. Second of all, we can see this red line here is a simple 10-day moving average, and our bullish engulfing candle on the far right actually just crosses over that 10-day moving average. So again, another bullish signal to further confirm this trade, and again, give me more confidence in it. I'm going to look at putting my stop loss right underneath this 10-day moving average, about 140 pips down, which is in line with the Candle Pro recommendation. And we'll set our take profit in line with Candle Pro recommendations, about 240 pips up, which is actually from resistance earlier in the year. We step forward, we can see that was actually hit within just a few days. So these longer time frame candlestick alerts do take longer to unfold, but they're higher probability. You get more pips in the long run, so 240 pips on this trade alone. And really that's not bad for the 2 to 3 minutes of research here we had to put in using Candle Pro, because Candle Pro had really done all of the research for us already. And the beauty of Candle Pro for me is twofold. Number one, the quantity and quality of signals that it gives you for multiple time frames, multiple pairs. Even if you have an indicator that gives you some of these signals, you don't keep it open for all charts, and it's definitely not going to give you the wealth of information. And that wealth of information is really what sets Candle Pro apart, in that it gives you confidence in the trade, and it gives you a better idea of where to put take profit and stop loss levels, so you're not just taking a stab in the dark anymore.